When to use percentage as a symbol or word, as per the APA 7th edition? Which of the following sentence is written correctly as per the APA style of writing? First is, 52% of students showed improvement in learning. 8% did not show any change. In this sentence, the word percent is used with the number 52, which is written in words, and the symbol of percentage is used with the number 8, which is written as a numeral. The second sentence is also same, that is, 52% of students showed improvement in learning. 8% did not show any change. In this sentence, the word percent is used with the number 52, which is the same as the previous sentence. But here, the number 8 is written in words, which is accompanied by the word percent. Now see the third sentence, that is, 52% of students showed improvement in learning. 8% did not show any change. In this sentence, the number 52 is written as a numeral, which is accompanied by the word percent. And similarly, the number 8 is also written as a numeral, which is also accompanied by the word percent. And the last, fourth sentence also conveys the same, that is, 52% of students showed improvement in learning. 8% did not show any change. In this sentence, the number 52 is written as a numeral, accompanied by the symbol of percentage. Similarly, the number 8 is also written a numeral, accompanied by the symbol of percentage. Now just pause and think as to which sentence is written correctly, according to the APA style of writing. So, the correct answer is the first sentence, in which the word percent is used with the number 52, which is written in words, and the symbol of percentage is used with the number 8, which is written as a numeral. APA style says to use the percent sign with the numerals. However, write the word percentage when numbers are written in words. Like in this case, in the correct option, the number 52 is accompanied by the word percent, and the numeral 8 is accompanied by the symbol of percentage. Also, in the case of mentioning numbers, APA says to write the numbers in words if they are below 10. However, if a number is accompanied by a percentage symbol, write that number as a numeral only. Like in this case, the number 8 is below 10, but it is accompanied by the percentage symbol, therefore, it is written as it is. All right, understood? Thanks for watching, and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. If you want to learn more about the nuances of APA 7th edition, then visit scholars-help.com. The link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!